guys, welcome back to my channel. Teresa Love here. Thank you so much for clicking. It means so much. So for today's video, I want to talk about some Colourpop cosmetics. I just tried Colourpop for the first time when I tried the Make-A-Wish Delilah collaboration, and so far I am in love with the super soft shadows and I wanted to try more. Today I'm actually wearing a new Colourpop glitter obsessed glitter glue that I just got. It's called Glitter Obsessed and it's body glitter, so you can do it on your eyes or your lips or your cheeks or your body. And the one that I'm wearing on my lids is Avenue of the Stars. It comes in this cute little container. Look how adorable that is. It's like holographic. And then when you open it, you see the beautiful product. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I actually used my firm eyeshadow brush, my mermaid one, and I took the top of this and I just patted it on and then just patted it on, and it created this beautiful look. Actually not wearing any eyeshadow on top, I'm just wearing the glitter, but you could definitely wear a base, you could wear any eye color, any eyeshadow color, and it would just make the glitter pop and it would look super cute. So I got Avenue of the Stars, and I also got Star Party. It's this gorgeous, gorgeous silver, and I have not tried it yet. But it's silver, and I just love using silver because I just think it can make your eye look pop, and especially like a holiday look or a fancy glam look, it would just be so fun to do. We're $8 and they have so many beautiful colors on the Colourpop website. When Disney collabed with Colourpop, they created this Disney designer collection, and I wanted it so bad for my birthday, but unfortunately they sold out before I could get one, and I was so bummed because it's limited edition and I thought they weren't gonna have it again. But to my surprise, they restocked and they also added some new products, so I'm so happy to talk about this Disney designer Colourpop collection that I just got in the mail. I cannot wait to play with makeup. They came out with 6 princesses. We have Ariel, Cinderella, Jasmine, Snow White, Belle, and Princess Tiana. And each princess collection has the Ultra Glossy Lip, the Lux Lipstick, and the Super Shock Eyeshadow. I cannot wait to share this with you guys. Comment down below if you ordered any of this collection. I would love to hear about it and what you thought. So for the first one, we have Ariel, and she's my favorite princess. I love mermaids, and I've always loved Ariel since I was little. And it comes in this gorgeous packaging. Look at this gold bottom with this beautiful purple dress. And it's like she's a doll. Super pretty. Now we're gonna open it and we're gonna check out the lip gloss, the lipstick, and the eyeshadow. So excited. Here is the lip gloss. Super pretty. It's a nude lip. I'm gonna swatch it for you. I'm actually wearing the lip gloss and the lipstick on my lips right now. I think it's super pretty and super smooth. Here is the lipstick. The beautiful packaging. It has all of the princess signatures on it. Here's the lipstick. There's a nude lipstick. Then we have the Under the Sea Super Shock Teal Green Eyeshadow. Wow. Also, it's like mermaid scales on the top. I think it's super pretty. Look at that. Look at that. So that's the whole princess. We have the Ultra Lip Gloss, the lipstick, and the eyeshadow. I hope to make more of these videos. I love playing with makeup, and I love reviewing stuff, and I love swatching. So if you could also like this video, that would really help out my channel. And if you could also subscribe, I would love for you to join the family. I'm at 167 subscribers right now, and I just think that's so awesome. Next we have Cinderella, and she also looks like a beautiful doll in this gold, gorgeous packaging. I'm totally gonna use these packaging to decorate my room. And we have the Ultra Lip Gloss, the Lux Lipstick, and the Super Shock Shadow. Let's swatch this. So here's the white, a clear gloss. It would look beautiful over any lipstick. Here's the lipstick. This is a pinky mauve. So pretty. And here's the Super Shock Shadow. This one is called So This Is Love. So this is love. So this is love. Here's this one. So we have the clear gloss, the pinky lipstick, and the iridescent rose gold eyeshadow with a, I'd say it's a little bit bronzy. Beautiful. Next we have Princess Jasmine, and she has this adorable packaging. Look at how cute that doll is. And we have her name written in teal. Then we have the lip gloss, the lipstick, and a purple Super Shock Shadow. Okay. This is so pretty. Here's the lip gloss. Look at that pink. It's like this light pink that's super beautiful. I totally want to try it on my lips. Here is the lipstick. It is hot pink. Takes a bold person to pull that off. I would say I would definitely wear this color. It's super cute. And we have A Whole New World eyeshadow. I love that song. Whole new world. It's like a lavender color. Don't you dare close your eyes. Fantastic point of view. No one to tell us no or where to go. This purple is so pretty. It's iridescent and sparkly. I have the purple eyeshadow, the hot pink lipstick, and then the light pink lip gloss. Next we have Snow White. Here's the doll. Pretty lip gloss, lipstick, eyeshadow. This lip gloss is sparkly gold. Look at that. That's so pretty. It's a really beautiful light gold. It's not like chunks and chunks of gold. Here's the Snow White lipstick. It's a deep, beautiful red. Just like the classic Snow White lip. This one is Hi Ho. Hi ho, hi ho. It's off to work we go. Do 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 do. It's like a light pink white. We have the gold lip gloss, the red lip, and then the light pink eyeshadow. Next we have Belle, who is my second favorite princess. I just love her because she loves reading and I love reading, and I love the songs from the movie. And we have her packaging, so cute. This Disney designer collection is so beautiful. So happy I got my hands on it. Here's the pink. Here's Belle's lipstick. Nude pinky with a tiny bit of red. And we have the eyeshadow, which is Be Our Guest. Be our guest, be our guest, put your service to the test. Just hot pink. Tie your napkin round your neck and dream we provide the best. Beautiful. There's those colors, the eyeshadow, the lipstick, and the lip gloss. Last we have Princess Tiana. And here's her gorgeous green dress. Here's the products. Lip gloss, lipstick, and eyeshadow. Peachy lip gloss. Let's see what it swatches like. A little bit sheer. but it also has these beautiful gold undertones. Here is Tiana's lipstick. It's a deep, deep, deep red. So pretty. Eyeshadow almost there. And it's bronze. It's brown. There's the eyeshadow, the lipstick, and the lip gloss, which is like goldish. I am totally gonna use these boxes to decorate my room on my shelves. I think they're gonna look just so cute, all laid out, and like they're on a runway. This collection is beautiful. I'm in love with the lipsticks and the lip glosses, and I cannot wait to play around with more of the eyeshadow and do different eyeshadow looks. That is all for the Disney designer Colourpop collab, and for the Colourpop Glittery Obsessed. I'm loving Colourpop right now. I'm just so happy that they're affordable and that they're easy to get to, because you can, live in the US, and you can order them online, and they're also at Ulta, except all of the products like the Glittery Obsessed is not at Ulta. So I'm just happy that it's affordable and that the product is so high-end for such a cheap price. So I'm really excited about these. I cannot wait to try out so many different eye looks, so many different lip looks, so many different like makeup looks, like crazy. I'm like so excited. I especially cannot wait to try that hot pink lipstick. I think that's gonna look super cute. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye!